Restarting life after a failure can be daunting, yet it provides a unique opportunity for personal and professional growth. The following step-by-step guide offers a structured approach to help those looking to rebuild and forge a new path. First and foremost, one must accept and process the failure. Acknowledging what happened without succumbing to self-blame is crucial. It is essential to allow oneself to feel the disappointment while ensuring not to dwell on it perpetually. Understanding that failure often paves the way to success, as evidenced by numerous individuals who reached greatness only after experiencing setbacks, is vital. Next, learning the lessons from the failure is imperative. Reflecting on what went wrong and considering alternative actions is beneficial. Identifying key takeaways and using them as guides for future endeavors prevents repeating past mistakes. Shifting one's mindset transforms the perception of failure from an end to a new direction. Replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations helps in focusing on areas of control and improvement. Setting new, realistic goals provides a clear path forward. Breaking larger ambitions into smaller, achievable steps builds confidence gradually. Tracking progress and celebrating minor victories is encouraging and sustains motivation. Taking action, one step at a time, is critical. Waiting for the perfect moment can lead to inertia. Consistent, patient effort coupled with the company of supportive individuals can make a significant difference. Building resilience is a component of success. Strengthening oneself mentally and emotionally through self-care practices, along with establishing a routine, keeps focus and motivation alive. Setbacks are temporary and should not define one's journey. Staying open to new opportunities ensures that failure may guide one towards something even better. Embracing learning opportunities and exploring new skills or career paths prevents stagnation. Finally, self-forgiveness is essential in moving on from past failures. Accepting that mistakes are an intrinsic part of the human experience allows for forward movement rather than dwelling on past errors. In conclusion, restarting life following failure demands resilience, introspection, and deliberate action. Every setback sets the stage for a comeback, reinforcing the importance of continuous movement forward, one step at a time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!